PowerTrack Euro 50 tractor fell off the canal bridge, overturned in a dangerous situation. Two JCB 3DX trucks immediately joined the rescue, working together to lift the tractor. Many people stood watching. The atmosphere was tense. The situation emphasized caution when traveling through narrow bridges to avoid unfortunate incidents. The JCB wheel loader suddenly slid into the river while working near the shore, causing an emergency situation at the construction site. But the incident clearly showed the potential risks in the complex construction environment. Immediately afterwards, the rescue team mobilized the escort crane to carry out the salvage. The lifting process was carried out carefully with smooth coordination of the rescue team. This is a valuable lesson in labor safety and risk management at the construction site.
Kapan kejadiannya, Pak?
Nggak tahu.
On the night of Monday, September 9th, 2024, at the Ujung Batu Petapahan intersection, a tanker truck suddenly lost control and overturned into a deep hole on the side of the road. The scene of the incident left many people shocked. Fortunately, the driver was only slightly injured. Rescue forces quickly arrived. With the support of a Kiso excavator, the tanker truck was brought to shore safely. Although the accident was serious, there were no casualties, and it is a warning to be careful when driving on narrow and small roads in the countryside.
Ayo, sedikit. Ayo.
Kasih ganjal.
Naik dah. Yuk, sikit lagi.
Lagi.
Oke.
Pas itu, lagi.
Nyangkut itu.
In the mountains of Sumatra, a coal truck suddenly fell into a 20-meter deep abyss. Rescuers rushed to the scene and deployed a specialized crane. Amidst the rugged terrain, the sound of the engine echoed throughout the mountains and forests. The truck was slowly pulled up, meter by meter, amid everyone's excitement. Despite many obstacles, the rescue effort was ultimately successful, bringing the truck back to the ground safely.
Ele chegou aqui, ó. Aí agora vocês acompanham a imagem aí.
In the field, the JCB 426ZX loader was stuck deep in the sand, motionless. The XCMG LW300 KB loader was dispatched for rescue. The engine roared, cables tightened, and mud splattered everywhere. After an hour of persistent pulling and pushing, the JCB gradually moved up and escaped from the quagmire. A spectacular rescue, demonstrating the strength and superior durability of the XCMG LW300 KB. The Sani bulldozer sank deep into the mud after an unexpected incident at the construction site. Almost completely submerged, access was very difficult. A heavy crane along with the bulldozer was quickly mobilized to the scene. After many hours of relentless effort, with close and precise coordination, the bulldozer was finally pulled up to the surface safely, marking a dramatic and effective rescue.
Melakukan proses pengikatan tali selingnya.
Sudah diikat bosku selingnya.
A truck suddenly plunged into a roadside ditch due to brake failure. Fortunately, the driver only suffered minor injuries. The vehicle was later rescued by another truck and pulled safely to the roadside. The incident is a warning about the importance of regular vehicle maintenance and inspection. Do not let subjectivity cause unfortunate accidents, affecting the lives and property of yourself and others.
Seling sudah dipasang bosku. Satu, dua, tiga, yo! Lagi! Yo! Lagi! Ops! Ops!
Dilarikan ke kiri, jadi masuk ke paret.
An orange single-axle Fuso truck suddenly overturned into a ditch on the side of the road. The incident quickly attracted the attention of people around. Immediately afterwards, the goods on the truck were urgently unloaded to ensure safety and convenience for rescue work. Currently, many rescue vehicles are taking turns evacuating the accident vehicle. Fortunately, there were no casualties in this accident. Both the driver and the assistant were safe and uninjured. Although the accident was serious, it was handled promptly and effectively.
Ini naik terus. Trailer isoteng terbalik.
On the Sissamut-Tolan Highway in North Sumatra Province, a tractor trailer suddenly overturned, causing serious disruption to traffic in the area. At the scene, the vehicle was lying on its side on the side of the road. The front of the vehicle was severely deformed. Rescue forces quickly mobilized a Cato crane to move the damaged vehicle. Although the accident caused significant property damage, fortunately, the driver only suffered minor injuries and was taken to the emergency room in time. The cause of the incident is under investigation by the authorities.
Tadi diturunkan, ini naik di
ของเฮียปุ๊นี่ SY 200C นะครับ ก็ยังอยู่ท่านี้ครับ
A homemade tracked winch with a unique cabin started powerfully to rescue the Sany SWI 200C excavator that was sinking deep in the mud pit. With anchoring support from the Sumitomo H2N10F excavator, the rescue team carefully set up the cable system. After many tense efforts, the winch unleashed its power, slowly pulling the Sany out of the mire, successfully completing the spectacular rescue mission.
ครับขึ้นท่อนนี้ได้รับรองว่ารถก็ขึ้นแล้วครับ ข้างอาร์ต
Masuk sungai.
Due to heavy rain and slippery roads, a truck accidentally skidded and plunged into the river in the Sorek area, Palalawan district, Rio province. The accident caused serious damage to the vehicle. However, fortunately, the driver only suffered minor injuries and was promptly taken to the emergency room. The rescue of the crashed vehicle was carried out urgently with the support of a Hitachi excavator and a tow truck. The scene of the accident attracted the attention of local people.
Kepalanya sudah dilepas dari kepalanya tadi di bawah.
The Kobelco excavator was stuck in the mud for more than a day and a night, helpless in the soft soil. It seemed that it would never be able to escape, but fortunately, two nearby farmers brought two other excavators. With strong pulling power and a spirit of unity, they rescued the machine, bringing it out of the heavy mud.
Lên. Quá trời, cái ống dầu đứt cái ống dầu thế lực rồi. Cộng xích nó kẹt đó. Rồi, giờ video mình cũng hơi lâu anh chị ơi, kết thúc từ đây nha, xe đã lên rồi.
เตรียมตัว
The rescue operation began when the Komatsu PC-130 got stuck deep in the mud. Immediately, the big brother Komatsu PC-210 entered the scene using all its strength to pull its teammate out of the dangerous quagmire. Beneath the thick layer of mud, the sound of the engines roared with determination, a spectacular display of teamwork and strength.
Sambay-sambay เลยครับ
Kita lihat oyong ini ya.
A CPO palm oil truck overturned while traveling, making the rescue operation extremely difficult and complicated. Authorities were forced to mobilize an excavator and a large truck to coordinate in pulling the truck out of the scene. After many hours of tireless efforts, witnessed by many curious people, the truck was brought to the side of the road on Nerchon. However, a large amount of palm oil leaked and spilled onto the road, causing serious environmental pollution and affecting traffic safety in the area.
Oke. Waduh, minyak.
A serious accident occurred at the Setenjau Lowit slope when a Hino truck carrying Unilever goods failed and plunged into a 20-meter deep abyss. The incident attracted many people to watch. The rugged terrain made the rescue work difficult. The rescue team used a Kato crane to pull the vehicle up. After several hours of effort, the vehicle was successfully evacuated. Fortunately, there were no casualties in this incident, but this is a warning that regular vehicle maintenance and inspection is needed to avoid unfortunate incidents. If you find the video interesting, don't forget to like and turn on the bell to not miss the latest video. Don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'm ready to listen and respond to your opinion.
ล้อลอยเลย แมคโครก็ลงครับเอา หน้า
akan membalikan truk ini.
On the Kodak hillside, a serious accident occurred when a CPO oil tanker suddenly overturned, spilling oil onto the road, creating a slippery and dangerous scene. Under the strict protection of the police force, the rescue work was carried out urgently and carefully. 2 Maju Jaya tow trucks quickly arrived, coordinated smoothly in the rescue work, and brought the overturned tanker back onto the road safely.
Dio โอ้ลงเลยครับโอ้เอียง
The dump truck carrying dirt was stuck deep in the soft soil. The wheels were spinning and could not get out. Thanks to the timely support of the excavator, people quickly removed some dirt from the truck to reduce the load. After the weight was significantly reduced, a strong push was made. And amazingly, the dump truck was successfully rescued, continuing the journey ahead.
เอาละครับไปแล้วครับโอ้
The tractor carrying nearly 50 tons of bridge girders got stuck in the middle of a section of quicksand and could not move. Immediately, 2 excavators were mobilized to assist. After many coordinated efforts, the vehicle gradually overcame the obstacle and continued its journey, the sound of its engine echoing through the construction site.
Thôi cho xe kia vào để có. Tá botando lá atrás. Hoje atrás tá botando.
If you find the video interesting, don't forget to like and turn on the bell to not miss the latest video. Don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'm ready to listen and respond to your opinion. Thank you for watching my video. See you tomorrow for the next part.